Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Let's do this. Open the files. And where are the submissions? Let's see.
Sir, I mailed it to you.
Yes, I'm downloading it.
Sir, Good Sky is not working in Unreal 5.
That is possible because it's a still beta version, so everything might not work.
Okay. But sir, the lighting and all is so amazing in Unreal 5.
Yes, it's very easy also, and it's like gives you output really quickly.
Yes. Sir, in Unreal 4, like all the shadows were completely blacked out, but in 5, like the lighting is so good.
So it's like all bounce light and everything is like
Yes,
really
sir.
nice. That's good.
Sir, so there's absolutely no baking in 5.
No, it's not like that. If you like after creating this, also you have to build your scene, and building scene means you baking. So
Okay.
baking is still there. Yes, light building is not necessary because it's all
Okay.
real time. You could do it very easily. Okay,
Okay.
your file, and Sonam's file I have downloaded. That's it. There is no other file. Let's see. CQ. That's it. Just close. Okay, let's start with your file. Others. I problem with the eye volume. This part goes inside. It's
Okay.
like this. So you have to always check from top view, bottom view. So now I'm also joining, and a few more things. The upper eyelid is slightly outside.
Okay, sir.
And one more thing is CB labeled up. Will also joining. Just like add little volume. Right?
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग. फाइल का है हमारा
सर सर किसका, एनवायरनमेंट का कि ये ZBrush?
दोनों में से किसी का भी. मेरे पास कोई अपडेट नहीं है.
सर एनवायरनमेंट वाला मैं आज आपको भेजता हूँ, और ZBrush का सर अभी तक स्टार्ट नहीं किया हूँ. सर आज करूँगा.
देखो क्या बोलूं मैं. तुम्हारा एनवायरनमेंट 1 का भी अपडेट नहीं आया, तुम्हारा एनवायरनमेंट 2 का भी अपडेट नहीं
सर
आया.
एनवायरनमेंट 1 का मैंने उसमें मतलब वीडियो भेज दिया था सर, लिंक में.
ओके,
सबमिशन डेट के दिन ही.
ओके मैं चेक करता हूँ, मैंने आई गेस मैंने मिस कर दिया उसको, लेट्स चेक इट। तो वही है, थोड़ा टाइम पे करो।
सर थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो गया है घर पे। मम्मी हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट है और उसके 2 वीक पहले मैं एडमिट था, तो थोड़ा इशू हो गया टाइम का।
ओके
सर इसलिए मैं क्लास भी अटेंड प्रॉपरली नहीं कर पा रहा था।
कोई नहीं, अभी ठीक है, जितना भी टाइम मिलता है थोड़ा मैनेज
सर
करो, कि देखो काम भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, तो काम
यस सर, सर
है ना, तो उस पर ही फोकस करो। थोड़ा सा स्लाइटली बल्ज, because the eye is basically, this is a circle, then you have another circle, then you have overall another circle. This is basically 3 circles, and that volume should show that, like it should be circular in shape. The round spherical shape should be there, so this should be slightly rounded. This is again bulge, but it should be rounded, like
Okay, sir.
slightly rounded. And this is, you have combined these two parts, so PMT, move topology, it should never come outside.
No, sir, in only to send you, I combined it.
Okay, no, that's what, like eyes usually we never combine.
Okay, sir.
So because that eye, like this eyeball is completely separate model, separate, everything is separate. So keep it
Yes.
separate only, always. Okay. Lips, let's see, looks fine. Only thing, it looks like a pout.
Hmm.
That's the only thing. This shape wise, there's no problem. Only thing, it looks like a pout. That's the only thing. Maybe you, like it's intended to be look like this. That's fine.
No, sir.
So it looks little that. And nose, let's see. Nose is fine, but okay, it's no complaint. Only thing, it looks little broader. Like usually when we sculpt, so we try to create something very like that, we that those beauty standards we have, right? Very sharp nose, clean nose, and all those things. We usually try to create that. But this is fine. There's nothing wrong in it. Only thing, if I need to modify BCB clay buildup, there is two surface,
Yes, sir.
right? And why it's working like
Sir,
this?
वो mirror symmetry on नहीं है.
ये मैंने on किया, but why it's working like this? Okay. दोनों साइड सेम काम करना चाहिए ना इसको.
Yes, sir.
Slightly this and EDS damn standard. Make it slightly sharp. And अगर if you need to add something, BCB, oh sorry, अरे slight volume here, so lips will come slightly outside, so automatically that volume will match. That is something we'll do when we start working on our head. We'll learn it. And our ears are fine. Only thing, like it's a very nice shape. Usually ears are slightly not that smooth, and from side view also this is fine. Slightly, because ear have a nice character, nice shape, so those
Yes.
things. Otherwise overall looks fine. Okay. So kind of looks fine, only it can be definitely better, but
The lips, like how do we make them not pout? I just like it came out whatever it came out to be.
okay, let's see. So lips, like it's, and there is no subdivision also.
So yeah, I had this doubt. When I like appended another subtool, all
Hmm.
the subdivisions they got like squeezed.
You appended this into another subtool, or you appended another subtool into this scene?
So this was selected, and I went to subtool and append, and I added a sphere, and then I was trying to move the sphere, but that something got messed up there.
Because like it should not happen. Like suppose I have a sphere and polymesh 3D, control D multiple times, and I append something, nothing should happen. Like box, if I select this, still my all
So
subdivision
if you
everything.
open that the eyes, and then you append something there.
So nothing will change. It should work. Maybe something happened.
Okay, so I might have done something wrong there.
Okay. Let's see. Let's go to this and okay, I'll use this one. Sorry. Delete sphere. So try to keep everything low. Do not like add unnecessarily a lot of polygons until and unless it's really required. And always keep this thing in mind. Keep your subdivision. Do not delete it. Huh? So like if
Yes,
something happened, undo it and then do it. Always.
yes,
So this thing. So I want to create lips. So that same thing. First create a volume. That mouth denture part. That round shape.
yes, sir.
Round. Upper lips are slightly protruding extra from lower lips. Create the volume BDS damp standard, and pout is like this. Just you can just create
So
base
normal, it's not pout.
like this, or maybe create this
So what was the shortcut for doubling the action?
one
One.
numeric one from keyboard.
Okay.
So for this, press like invert. You can see I'm doing add right now. I'm not doing minus.
So
BCB. So
can you go back? Like I did not understand this.
basic shape. I added this volume,
Mhm.
damn standard, or pressing Alt and adding this volume, adding this volume. DCB, two round balls, one round ball that extends still here. That's that's it. So now from side I have to fix it. Front it's fine. BMB. Yeah. So it should be upper lips are slightly outside, inner lips are slightly inside, like lower lips.
Mhm.
That is the only thing to keep in mind. And just make if I want to make it slightly bulgy, that's should look should be fine. So just like because if you have this round shape, it automatically becomes very easy. So in
Mhm.
your case, what happened? The lips like this thing, and due to some strange reasons, symmetry also not working properly here. So that's so your lip line it become really wide. So lips are usually not that broad. Lips are like it slightly extend your nose, like maybe slightly broader than this part, slightly here. It should end here only. So this is like way too wide. It should be somewhere here. Reduce it. So if we reduce this thing, too many polygons, so it becomes very difficult to manage. It's 4 million, so it's very difficult to become very difficult to manage. Reduce this thing, and now okay, symmetry is again, symmetry is not working. So it becomes very difficult. Push it inside, push it down inside. Let's copy and this part come out. If you add this volume and plus this volume, it will automatically start looking like less pouty because this volume was not there. So lip was like protruding outside. It looks like pout. So just
Yes.
add some volume here and add this volume. It will reduce that pouty effect.
Okay, sir.
Practice, and we have one more. Sonam sent me a file. Let me see which one. This one. So name is nose practice. All right.
Sir, was that one an environment from BBA?
What?
आपके मेल पे जो खिला था
वो environment one उसके लिए batch के लिए. Okay. Only the nose. Like front say volume is almost there, smooth slightly. This is like Sonam spine. Like basic structure, okay, it's a triangular shape, you have the volume and all. Only thing now you need to define the shapes. The shape definition is not there. BDS DAM standard. Define this BCB, the nose bridge. Because you have this nose bone, right? The rest is cartilage. So this bridge is required. Now here, if you want, you can reduce it also like this. BCB. They're like two balls. This is like basic muscle structure of nose. It's almost there, just slightly modification, and then if you want to make it like a narrow nose or something, B and B, you can definitely go ahead and do it. Narrow. Broad, slightly broad here.
सर ये जो नोज आइज बना रहे हैं ये प्रैक्टिस के लिए कि हम लोग इसी को यूज करने वाले फिर अपने
नहीं,
character
दिस इज
design?
जस्ट, ये सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस है.
ओके सर.
इसका मेन उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. ओके ये प्रैक्टिस है, अगर ये करेक्ट हो जाएगा हमारे, बिकॉज दिस इज बेसिक्स। लाइक कभी भी तुम अगर भी ऑर्गेनिक पे जाओगे और ऑर्गेनिक काम करोगे, तुम्हें शुरू में स्केचिंग कराएंगे।
सर तो जो
Sketching-
स्केचिंग में हमें स्टेप्स बताया था, सर्कल सर्कल बना बना के, हम
वही
वो
है।
इसमें मेथड यूज कर सकते हैं?
बिल्कुल वही है, वही टेक्निक है, वही
Okay.
फॉलो करना है। दैट इज बेस। दैट्स क्योंकि अभी लॉट ऑफ पीपल दे आस्क मी कि हम फाइन आर्ट्स क्यों कर रहे हैं, हमें तो 3D में काम करना है। बिकॉज वो बेस है, अगर तुम्हें उसका शेप मालूम है, फॉर्म मालूम है, तो 3D में करना बहुत ईजी हो जाता है वो, क्योंकि तुम्हारे ब्रेन में वो रहता है क्योंकि इसका प्रोपोर्शन ऐसा होगा, इसका शेप ऐसा रहेगा, तो इसको ऐसे करेंगे। तो वो चीज दिमाग में रखना है, तो अब इसको ट्रांसलेट करना है 2D से 3D में, बस वही है। दैट्स द होल आइडिया। तो ड्राइंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। ड्राइंग अगर सही करोगे, प्रोपोर्शन अगर सही सही है, इट्स बिकम सुपर इजी टू डू इट इन 3D आल्सो। सो वही वही करना है। सो सोनम बाकी बाकी का बनाओ, कान, नाक, माउथ एंड ऑल। तो थोड़ा सा इसको रिफाइन करोगे तो ठीक हो जाएगा। तो थोड़ा साइड से, फ्रंट से तो देख के ठीक हो जाएगा। इट्स फाइन। एंड जस्ट वन मोर फाइल, सी जो नहीं सेट किया मेरे को, this one. And one more thing, whenever you sending me file, send me a ZTL, not ZPR, not ZBrush project file. Send me a ZBrush tool file. ZPR mein what happens? It have the history, so file become heavy. If you send me a ZTL, there is no history, so it becomes light. So ye cheez,
Yes, sir.
so ye, this is something to keep in mind. Okay. He tried thrice, but अभी भी नहीं है, because अभी this is what happens, like ये issue होता है कि initially when you start creating this thing, it's become very difficult कि how to make it sharp and clean, because we smooth everything, we try to smooth everything, right? One sec. Symmetry. So इसको is like D, थोड़ा सा move करें। तो keeping everything clean and sharp is very important. Like उस it's all sculpting सारा वही है कि okay, सेंटर में भी नहीं है। Corners, there's a slightly extra depth. You see, it's not like this shape. Define it. Like this also we can do, and then blend everything nicely. It goes inside. So this is also a circular shape. Chin, depth. And slight volume, because it's connecting here, the connecting muscle. So it's not just inside. You have one more point, and after creating this, you create this circular shape here. This tip is always outside, slightly pointy, and there's a small tiny thing. This volume reflects here also. This is also slightly round. It's not just flat depth. So थोड़ा fine detail I'll explain. So you see, like it becomes super easy just to define the shape. It's not just like a soft mushy thing. No, it's like you have to define where you have to make it smooth, where you don't have to smooth it. You have to keep that thing in mind. That's why we're doing this practice. Like this will do it, but he's not here. So So this is like this we can do. Like now I'll today I'll show you like because from next week we'll start a small like some small tiny character from Monday, tiny character or something, and that we should and do it every day. We should be able to finish it by next Friday or Saturday. Okay, because from after that we'll start our main model. So like this, practice it finishly, because this, if you get it correct, it becomes super easy to model everything. Because it's because organic is bit difficult. There are small fine deformation here and there. Those things you need to fix, those things you need to create. So now I'll show you something like what we are going to create. Like suppose I want to create a head. So that drawing we used to do and all. So how to do it? Let's see. I take a cylinder, get polymesh 3D, T, side pose, slightly elongated. Then Control Shift D, rotate. I can reduce it slightly. So basic structure. This is my head plane. This is my neck plane, and I need this volume also. So what I'll do, I'll append a sphere. So DMV, symmetry on, push it outside. It's an egg shape. So if you do it like this, your shape and everything will become very easy and side slightly narrow. You can see from distance, if you have difficulty, check this silhouette. Here you can see it looks like a head. Skull. It's not 100% round, and you can see there's a clear sharp angle. It should be there from neck and ear. This should be there. Our neck is not straight, it's slightly angled. So this is, you can see in mirror also yourself, you can see your neck is not 100% straight, it's slightly angled. So this angle you have to create, and once you do this, then merge down, merge down. So it's become one single solid model. So now if I want to make it like slightly broader, I feel, yes, it looks like skull only. And then I will dynamesh the model. I'll keep it very low. You can see very low, very low. Initially keep everything low, and shift F, you can see polygroups. So Control W, get rid of the polygroup. And BCB, symmetry is on, clay buildup. So with the help of clay buildup, I'll fix everything. First, I'll smooth those sharp angles. So first thing first, my this forehead is slightly flat. So I can just make it slightly flattish. Now I have to define all those areas. First, this one. So my jawline, then you have this neck, this volume. Do not forget about this. There's smooth transition. That is something you can do it, smooth it, fix it. This joint is very important. At PMD, and now if you want to make it slightly less boxy, make it slightly narrow. That's absolutely fine. And BCB, clay buildup. reduce, alt. So eyes, this is my skull, eyes is somewhere here, right? First create the hole, eye cavity. First create the hole. Nose. Just block out. Do not, you don't have to like add details. Mouth. Your cheekbones.
सर बेसिक स्कल स्ट्रक्चर देना है.
Basic skull ka shape. Basic skull ka shape. That's it. Your chin. This is just blocking. This is just blocking. And like if you think inside we have a denture, but there is no there is only a very thin skin here. So it basically goes inside this part. This denture is there because denture is bone. So bone it cannot reduce volume and anything, but rest of the part I can reduce and fix it. So now after this, you have this temporal bone where you have your eyebrow. This part goes inside. This is scapula. I forgot the name. It goes slightly inside. Temporal bone is something, right? I forgot the name of this. Then create this because it's slightly inside. Now I feel my forehead should be slightly big. Mouth cannot come outside. Proportion, fix it. Forehead. This is your highest tip point. You see forehead is quite broad, quite big, and slightly flat. Now broad it from here, not from the front. Check all the sides and balance it. B, C, B. And just sort of forehead are usually flat, so I can use the trim dynamics. They're like planes. This is one plane, flat surface. Then you have another plane, flat surface. This is another plane. You can see all the planes here. Face plane. Now I'm going to fill. Again, fill it. So first create the cavity, then again fill it to create the eye. So because you get this thing very easily, and the gap between two eyes is one eye. So it's basically one eye, two eye, three eye, and then you have four eye and five eye. So it's basically five eyes. The width should be five eyes. Now define your eyebrows. This is a muscle connecting jaw and cheekbone. Connect that. The lips, the chin. Now for eyes, it goes way inside this part. and this part comes slightly outside. B and B side. Now I'll fix the nose quickly. This nose goes inside. It's way too flat, slightly broad. So it's little angular in men and it's little rounded in female. That is the main difference of the forehead. So in men, it's slightly angular, and for female, it's slightly round. Based on the character, we create that. Correct? We have this connecting muscle here. Dynamics once again. So now I can narrow it down based on my requirement. This polyp cannot reduce. This connecting muscle is required. Nose to lip end. So you can see it goes inside from then it can come outside. The small deformations. Blend it, make it soft. Move to shape. Clay buildup. Clay buildup. So BMP. Lips, I need to push it slightly behind this thing back. Side jaw, PCB again. You see, jaw part is not visible. Jaw is a bone, so it's like make sure it's like have prominency. Max, if required, I'll make it this shape clean. It should be visible. And from side, B and B, if I want, I can make it narrow or wide. That's okay up to me. Cheekbone, slightly, volume. Socket, slightly up. BDS. And eyes have to fix. And then I can add a ear or other things, and I can refine. Now there is just a basic blocking. Now nothing is refined yet, so I can refine. So like this, slowly, one by one, we add all the details and create all the surface. And then just like this is just blocking. Then I will modify this nose bridge. It's connected to your cheekbone muscle. This shape. Fix it. Another round shape bulge goes inside, then come outside. That concave and convex thing, refine it slightly. Then this you can see this cheeks are almost adds little volume. Tool. I can widen the jaw. Chin. Soft it. This part I can slightly narrow down. And now, like, this is how we create. Now I can make the base body broad. Dynamic once again. Like collarbone. If it's a man, there will be Adam's apple, this bone. Depending on the body structure, can narrow down, increase, and slowly modify to generate things on the one. And lips I feel slightly soft and little out and give it a shape. Slightly broaden it up. We build up. So like this, I can like generate everything, extend, and create all the shape and create the entire thing from one Dynamesh. We can generate the entire model. It's just matter of practice. If you want to really learn, practice. There's no other way because and then we can create the full character. And for our this thing main character, we will use a base model already available in ZBrush, because if I start doing this like manually sculpting everything one part or every time all the parts, so we won't be able to finish it because this is very time consuming process. We have to block out, then it will start looking like an alien, then gradually fix all those things slowly one by one. So it's a time consuming process. So what we'll do, we'll study the muscles and everything, and plus we use a base model which is already available tools. You can see there is a base model. there's a male and female model is already there. We can use that and create our entire character. It will become super easy for us, and plus it will help us like learning the entire process and speed up the entire process. We'll do that. I will create all the details. Wait,
Sir,
yes.
sir, are we allowed to use the base model in industry also?
Yes, in 99% of the company, they already have base models. Like because previously they worked on some model or characters, they have a library of base model. So they use a base model and sculpt it. But there will be a couple of cases where client asks you to do something from scratch. So for that, because it's already there in ZBrush, you can pick this model and start sculpting on that. So it's a lean character. If you want to beef it up, you can beef it up very easily. If you make it skinny, you can make it skinny also.
Yes, sir.
But you have some structure to work with. So it makes your because industry time is very important, because time you're not allowed to waste time. So like this is how we can speed up the entire process and create it super easily and quickly. So
Okay.
this is a puff. Do not use some third party downloaded some base model and all. Those things might have issue, but it's part of ZBrush, so you can definitely use it. There's no problem at all.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes. Just
sir, by when can we submit the environment?
just weekend.
Weekend, as in tomorrow or day after?
Like if possible, submit it by Saturday. That will then I'll have little time to check it. Otherwise, Sunday usually I don't do any work. Honestly, I don't touch my system. So if possible, Saturday. If you send Sundays, then I'll check in Monday morning.
Okay, sir.
No.
And sir, we only submit the video, right?
The video is fine. Yes, fine. Yes, you can submit the only video. That's fine.
Okay.
If
And-
possible, you can submit the Unreal project also. No need of Maya file, Max file, Substance. All those things are not required.
Sir, Unreal project is too big, sir. A lot of assets are imported into it.
No, you can migrate your asset. Na? Like go to your level, wherever your level is, right click and asset action. There is an option called migrate. So it will only and only migrate whatever is used in that level. So it will reduce your file size from 2 GB to 500 MB, like that.
Okay, sir. And sir, वो जो आप मेल पे आप बोल रहे थे ना, like the other sir, the other diploma batch का जो environment, can you show it once?
Other diploma batch. जो ओपन था मेरे उसमें.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा वो तो रेफरेंस है ओनली.
Okay.
That is the only reference. अभी we just I guess this week only we started. अभी ब्लॉक आउट करना ही चालू किया है, बस कुछ किया नहीं है उसमें.
Okay, sir.
तो just start हुआ है वो. Okay, I have another class. I'll see you guys Monday.
Videos डाल देंगे.
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Okay.
Thank you,
Bye
sir.
bye.
Yes.